Hey, Tech Like Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a LinkedIn link to a resume in Canva. So if you're on LinkedIn, it's a good idea to add the link to your CV resume as people want to check you out on there. So this is how you do it. So open up your CV in Canva. If there is a LinkedIn section already, you could add the link there. If not, I'm going to change this word that says website. I'm going to type in LinkedIn. Then I'm going to go over to my LinkedIn account and grab the link. So you can either copy it from the right hand side on your profile page where it says public profile and URL. My link is there, or I can copy it from the search bar. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it, copy and paste, and I'm going to go back to my CV in Canva. Then I'm going to highlight the words LinkedIn, and then this little toolbar will pop up. I'm going to click on link. I'm going to add in the link to my LinkedIn account, click on done, and you can see the word LinkedIn is now linked. Now, whenever someone opens up my resume, they can click on it and then click through to my LinkedIn account. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.